Are you tired of the daily grind and want to turn your dreams into reality? In this video, I'll show you my proven strategies to make your bank account grow even while you're sleeping. Let's dive in. Run ads to turn views into money. I've generated over $72,000 in passive income from my YouTube channel just by running ads on my videos. For example, this video has received over 1 million views since it was published and has made over $4,500. Every day it generates new income for my channel because the video is ranked on the first page of Google and YouTube. Every time a viewer clicks on the ad in the video or watches it for more than 30 seconds, I get paid. I've got hundreds of videos on my channel that generate a passive income every day just by displaying AdSense ads. This means I'm making money from my channel even while I'm sleeping, on vacation, or traveling. Keep in mind you have to become a YouTube partner if you want to monetize your channel and videos. To become eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the past 12 months, or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million valid public short views in the last 90 days. If you currently don't meet those requirements, keep uploading new videos every week to grow your channel and you'll get there. Later, I'll show you how to make money from your channel even if your channel is not monetized. Promote affiliate products. This is the passive income I've generated from the TubeBuddy affiliate program since I joined in 2011. Every time someone signs up for the TubeBuddy program through my affiliate link, I get paid. Here's a couple of videos on my channel that promote TubeBuddy. To promote TubeBuddy, I'll talk about the benefits of using TubeBuddy in my video, as well as place an affiliate link at the top of my description and pin that affiliate link to the top of my comments. Some of these videos I created 5 or 10 years ago, and they still generate an affiliate income because the videos are evergreen. You can do the same by promoting affiliate programs related to the content in your videos. Another way to sell affiliate products on your YouTube channel is to join YouTube's shopping affiliate program. You'll be able to recommend the products you love without creating the product yourself. Watch this video to learn how to earn money on YouTube with the YouTube shopping affiliate program. Link is in the description. Sell your own digital products. Here's a digital product I created on mastering YouTube Shorts. Here's the amount of income earned last week from digital entrepreneurs using Gumroad. It's a free online platform that includes a flexible page builder, and you can host your products there for free. It also processes your payments and provide analytics to help improve your products. All you have to do is open an account, add your product, and start selling. The more digital products you create, the more money you'll make. You'll make more promoting your own products because you get 100% commission, unlike affiliate programs where you might get 40 or 50% commissions. Here's some ideas for the digital products you can sell through YouTube channel. Ebooks and reports, online tutorials, templates, membership sites, and coaching services. The big question is, how do you come up with the content to make your product? Your product has to fill a need of your target audience, and you can start by asking these questions. What are the biggest questions in your niche? What do people ask you for advice about? What is something you or your audience do all the time manually that can be done quicker with a template or automation? What are the pain points of your audience? What frustrates them? What's something you know how to do that not many other people do? What's something you could teach others? What's something that beginners in your niche often need help with? What's a problem you can help solve? The best way to validate an idea is to make it. So make that course, then offer it to your audience to see what kind of responses you get. It might just be a winner. The great thing about using digital products to turn YouTube views into money is that you can share your experience, knowledge, and passion to generate a passive income. Here's my recommendation. Bundle multiple streams together to increase your income from YouTube. For example, you could also add sponsorships and brand deals to boost your income. Keep in mind you don't need a huge channel to make thousands of dollars. You just need to target a specific audience. Watch this video to learn how to identify your target audience and the mistakes you should avoid.